I have an E2 code on my pellet stove. Hasn't started yet this season but worked last. I have already replaced the pressure switch, low limit sensor and combustion motor. I have a Vogelzang VG5790. I have cleaned out every inch of where I think the ash builds up. I am not sure if I'm missing a place.
Hello, 1 minute while I get some information together. Is the blower coming on?
The combustion motor comes on, runs for about 30 seconds and stunts down with the E2 code.
Check the vacuum switch and tube to the vacuum switch. It could be clogged or broken/cracked. If it is all clean, replace the vacuum switch.
I've replaced the pressure switch. Is that the same as vacuum switch? I've taken the tube off to make sure it wasn't clogged. If it had a crack, I feel as it might be obvious. Am I wrong?
Did you check the port where the tube connects to the blower housing?
I'm not sure what port you are referring to. The two wire connections? If so, they look clean. That is clear.
Okay, with the blower on, do you feel a slight vacuum with the hose off and the blower running if you wet your finger and put it over the port?
How slight should the vacuum feel? I don't believe I felt much.
It is not a lot, but if it is not anything, check the exhaust. You may have a blockage.
I have vacuumed the entire machine, including the exhaust, multiple times. I feel as if I'm missing something. The machine is not that complicated and there doesn't seem to be many places for the ash to hide that I have not got to already.
Is everything back in place? All seals and panels for proper airflow?
I believe they are, and I've replaced a few gaskets.
Try a different rubber tube to the vacuum switch and then try it.
Okay, I will need to get the part and get back to you. Will I automatically get you if I continue this thread in a day or two?
That does not close this out either.
Great. Thank you.
Try a different rubber tube to the vacuum switch and then try it.
I replaced the rubber tube as you suggested, but that ended up not being the problem. I kept thinking that there was ash somewhere that I was missing, and turns out I was correct. You asked me if I had cleaned the motor, and I had multiple times. It got me thinking that I had removed the motor but never the entire housing. Maybe it wasn't as clean as I thought. So I removed it, and it was as clean as I thought. Being a female with small hands, I can fit my hands in smaller spaces, so I decides to check the pipe from the burn area to the motor. That was also clean, but at the end of it is a small compartment that drops down a bit. That was full of ash. I think this may be a design flaw because there is no way to get to this area from any other spot other than the exhaust pipe. A regular vacuum will not fit. I had to use an extra small detailing hose to get to it. I hope this bit of information helps the next person. I was about ready to pay someone to come in to fix it. Thanks again for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.